What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best tap die set on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Orion MotorTech 0 PC Tap and Die Set. The Orion MotorTech 80-piece tap and die set is designed for those working with internal and external threading across different materials. It supports both metric and standard measurement systems, making it suitable for a wide range of threading tasks. This tool set is made to assist with threading operations on various materials including steel, iron, copper, aluminum, and wood. Built with high carbon chromium bearing steel, each component in the package aims to provide reliable strength. The set includes taps and dies in several sizes, covering the most commonly used threads for repair and creation. The long handle and T-handle tap wrenches help during alignment and turning, supporting better control when threading. This can be especially helpful for both professional mechanics and home users. Flathead screwdrivers and thread pitch gauges are also part of the set. These tools help in matching and cutting accurate threads. The complete kit is organized inside sturdy blow-molded storage boxes, which separate metric and standard sizes for better access. These cases are practical for both storage and transport. Gloves are included for hand protection while working with metal tools. The entire kit is made with precision in mind to allow for smoother threading operations with fewer mistakes. The design of the pieces supports use in tight spaces, and each item is made with usability and durability considered. Whether working in a garage, workshop, or home setting, this set can support common threading repairs or new installations. Its organized layout and wide size selection make it a valuable item to have ready. In our list, the number 4 product name is Toolant Tap and Die Set. The Toolant 127-piece tap and die set is designed to assist with threading tasks using both standard and metric measurements. This complete kit includes a range of tap and die tools along with compatible drill bits, supporting smoother operations in various threading projects. Each piece is arranged in a structured tool case that helps users keep different sizes organized while working in a workshop, garage, or home environment. Made for ease of use, the ratcheting T-handles included with the set allow rotation in one direction, helping users apply more force with less strain. This can be helpful when threading tough materials or working in tight areas. The twist lock system in the tool helps keep the dies in place and centered while cutting, preventing movement during the process. Drill bits that match the taps are included in the set to make selection quicker and easier. This reduces errors that come from using incorrect sizes and helps improve workflow, especially in larger or repeated tasks. The storage case is portable and allows each piece to be placed in its assigned compartment for easy access. The entire kit supports general threading uses and fits standard ISO tolerance grades. The combination of tap and die tools, drill bits, and a functional storage box gives users the flexibility to handle threading work on multiple surfaces without needing separate accessories. This kit is a practical choice for technicians, repair workers, or anyone needing a reliable set for regular maintenance and small projects. In our list, the number 3 product name is BESTWORK 76-piece tap and die set. The 76-piece tap and die set from BESTWORK provides a helpful collection of tools for working with internal and external threading using both standard and metric sizes. The set includes an extendable ratcheting tap handle, making it easier to use in different positions. The tools are made with chrome vanadium steel and bearing steel for strength and long-lasting use in various applications. The ratcheting handle allows smoother operation and helps with quicker rotation while reducing hand fatigue. It is designed for comfortable grip and control, which is useful when working in tight or awkward spaces. The twist lock guide system helps keep the cutting tools centered while threading, reducing unwanted movement and improving accuracy during the job. The entire set is made to help repair damaged threads or create new threads on different types of metal surfaces, including stainless steel, cast iron, brass, aluminum, and copper. The precise machining and heat treatment used in the cutting teeth help ensure better performance and accuracy when carving threads. This tap and die set includes everything in a strong molded case, which helps keep each item in its place and ready to use. It is hand-powered, making it suitable for home workshops or portable use where power tools are not required. Whether working on machinery, vehicle parts, or other metal repair needs, this set provides a convenient solution to complete threading tasks efficiently with reliable results. In our list, the number 2 product name is Highfire Tap and Die Set. The 86-piece tap and die set from Highfire offers a wide variety of tools for working on threads in both standard and metric sizes. This collection includes taps, dies, wrenches, pitch gauges, and additional hand tools stored in a reinforced iron case. The items are arranged in molded plastic holders for organized access and ease of transport, making it helpful for those who need threading tools on the go. Each tool in the kit is made using bearing steel, providing strength and durability when working on different types of metals. The titanium coating adds resistance to corrosion and contributes to a longer lifespan of the tools. This set allows thread repair or creation on common metals like copper, steel, aluminum, iron, and brass, which makes it useful in different repair or maintenance situations. The tools have finely crafted teeth designed for smooth cutting and accurate thread formation. This helps improve results when cutting or fixing damaged threads. Whether working on vehicles, machinery, or custom metal parts, the variety of tap and die sizes makes the kit suitable for many threading jobs. The tap wrenches and die handles included in the package give the user better grip and control while working, especially in areas where space is limited. The T-handle wrench adds more leverage, which is useful when greater force is needed. The pitch gauges and screwdriver included help users select the correct tool quickly, avoiding delays during the job. This set is useful for anyone who needs a full tap and die solution in one portable and well-built package. In our list, the number 1 product name is Elks Mag 110 PCs Tap and Die Set. The 110-piece tap and die set from Elks Mag is made for threading and rethreading on different metal surfaces. This set includes taper taps, plug taps, and dies in metric sizes ranging from M3 to M16. The strong steel used in construction supports work on various metal materials, providing hardness and cutting strength. This makes the set suitable for several threading needs across light to heavy-duty applications. With a wide variety of sizes and tools, this collection allows users to handle detailed threading tasks. From mechanical repair to equipment maintenance, this threading kit supports both external and internal cutting. Whether the work involves carbon steel, cast iron, brass, copper, stainless steel, or aluminum, the selection of tap and die sizes helps meet threading demands accurately. Each component in the kit is designed to last, offering sharp cutting performance that supports repeated use. The included T-handle wrench and die holders allow better grip and stability during operation. The threading process is easier with the tapered teeth pattern that helps guide the tool into the material without forcing or damaging it. The tools are stored inside a molded hard plastic case, designed for carrying and organizing. This setup helps keep every item safe and makes it easier to find the right piece quickly during work. The combination of detailed sizing, practical design, and sturdy storage makes this tap and die set useful in many repair and threading projects. This collection supports tasks in workshops, auto repair shops, and field maintenance with its dependable build and broad use across metals.